Hello friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable password on your iPhone. Please, friends, put your likes under the video, write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. And let us get down to our topic with you. So, if you want to disable the password on your iPhone, you'll first need to go to your phone settings. Then scroll down in the settings until you find an option called Face ID and Password. Click on it. Next, enter your phone password. Now friends, when you get to the Face ID menu, scroll down here and you can easily find an option called Disable Password. Click on it. Next, you'll need to enter your phone password again. And wait for it to be disabled. In some situations, you will also need to enter your Apple ID password before you can disable the password. If say your phone password is also tied to your wallet password. And in order to log out, you'd have to enter your Apple ID password first, and then enter your iPhone password. And after that, it will immediately be disabled. That's how you can disable the passcode on your iPhone, friends. I hope this video has helped you. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, write comments. Don't forget to put likes under this video, and see you soon.